So in our last video, we learned what to do, or what happens if the condition inside of an if statement is indeed met. Now, there's also a way to write an if statement so that there's also a code path that is executed if the condition is not met. So we can do something if my age is not greater than or equal to 21. So one of the ways of doing so is by adding an else statement on to this if statement. So how does this work? So at the very end of the if statement, the very end of the curly braces, we can do the following. We can just put a line that says else, and then we can do another set of curly braces. So there's another code path that we can now have executed if my age is not greater than or equal to 21. So in this case, we can just do console.log have a soda. So if I console.log have a soda here, we can execute this if my age is not greater than or equal to 21. So running this in the console, I see that have a soda is executed because the first conditional check up here fails. So else statements are pretty useful every time you have a condition that you want to check for, like a default condition at the very end of a bunch of checks that you're trying to make. In the next video, we'll learn a little bit more about if-else statements, which is, it adds on another level of complexity to these if statements. So